The alarm from 2620 is active. Today we will discuss about character streams. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, like, comment and share. So as we have discussed in our lecture, character streams are added to the JDK starting from version 1.1, and character streams are more efficient than byte streams, and they are also having an advantage of making internationalization easier, though in the background they use byte streams. As you know, everything resorts to bytes when we operate on coding, and today we will see how to use character streams. One of the common character streams that we use is to read from files. So to do that, we will import or declare a variable, a file reader variable. This is a concrete class which inherits from the reader abstract class in the character stream, and the file writer is a concrete class which inherits from the writer abstract class in the character stream. So as you remember from our lecture, character streams are based on the two abstract classes of reader and writer. So we initialize them with the file path string, and here we will do looping while reading each character from the input file. We have got the input file, and we will read each character from the input file. Okay, so as long as it's not empty, we will read it and write it on the output file. As you can see, we have got here a statement from the input file, and the output file is empty. So we expect when we run this one, the output file will be populated with the information from the input file. So finally, after doing that one, we have to close the stream classes, the file reader and file writer classes, for efficient resource management. So let's run this one. So it's successful. We expect here the input file has got these statements, and we expect similar statement in the output file. So we have written the statement from the input file onto the output file. Okay, so that's how we can use character streams very easily. Thank you for watching my video.